Have you ever looked up to the night sky and wondered why stars twinkle? Do they blink at us? Are they moving? Or are they trying to send us secret messages from space? Hi everyone, welcome back to Page Pulse by Lee. Today we are going to uncover the science behind one of the most beautiful sights in the night sky. Why stars twinkle? First, let's understand what stars really are. Stars are huge balls of burning gases, mostly hydrogen and helium. They are extremely hot and incredibly bright. In fact, our sun is also a star, just much closer to Earth. Yep, stars shine steadily. The twinkling we see happens because of something much closer to us. It happens because of Earth's atmosphere. Between our eyes and the stars, there's a thick layer of air called the atmosphere. This atmosphere is not still. It's always moving and is made of different layers of warm air, cold air, wind, and tiny dust particles. As the light from a star travels through these moving layers of air, it keeps bending again and again. This bending of light is called refraction. Because the air is constantly moving, the direction of the star's light keeps changing before it reaches our eyes. So, sometimes the light looks brighter, sometimes dimmer, and sometimes it appears to shift slightly. This makes the star look like it's blinking or twinkling in the sky. Now you might wonder, if stars twinkle because of the atmosphere, why don't planets twinkle? That's a great question. Planets are much closer to Earth than stars. They also appear bigger in the sky. Because of this, even when their light bends while passing through the atmosphere, the changes balance out. So, their light appears steady and does not twinkle like stars. That's why stars twinkle, but planets shine steadily. Have you also noticed that stars twinkle more when they are near the horizon? That happens because when stars are closer to the horizon, the light has to pass through a larger portion of the atmosphere. More air means more bending of light, and that causes stronger twinkling. When stars are directly above us, their light travels through less atmosphere, so they twinkle less. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember this. Stars are not blinking at us. They are shining steadily. It is the Earth's moving atmosphere that bends their light and creates the magical twinkling effect we see. Isn't it amazing how science explains something so beautiful? If you enjoyed learning about why stars twinkle, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Page Pulse by Lee. Until my next video, stay curious and keep reading. Signing off, Page Pulse by Lee. See you next time.